Welcome to Sacramento Real Estate Voice. Hop on in and put your seatbelt on, and let's talk about Sacramento real estate. I'm in Elk Grove right now, and one of the things I wanted to share with all of you today, I pulled up how many homes were for sale to kind of get an idea of what's in the market right now in all of the different counties. And because you know that there's a perception out there that there's not enough homes on for sale, or whatever. So I thought I would go over that with you and let you know just what is for sale right now in Sacramento County. There are 2,100 homes for sale in Sacramento County and actively for sale. Those are not the ones with offers. And out of the 2,100 homes, there's 1,148 homes that are actually short sales. And also, out of the 2,100 homes for sale in Sacramento County, there's 525 bank-owned homes. So you can see that there's fewer bank-owned homes now for sale, and with the with the banks holding on to about 7 million of them nationwide, there should be quite a few hitting at some point. And traditional sales, regular sales in the Sacramento area, there are 435 homes for sale. In Placer County, which has fewer homes for sale than, say, Sacramento, in Placer County there's 1,059 total homes for sale in Placer County, and of those 1,059 homes, 351 of them are short sales, and 141 of them are bank-owned homes for sale. And there are 567 regular traditional homes for sale. El Dorado County has 827 homes for sale, and out of those 827 homes, there are 160 short sales, 99 bank-owned homes for sale, and 568 of those 827 homes are actual homes that are resale, traditional sales. In Yolo County has the least amount of homes for sale. Their score with active homes for sale is 303 homes. And of those 303 homes for sale, there's 67 short sales, 64 bank-owned homes, and 172 regular traditional homes for sale. So that is, those are the stats as of this morning in all of the Sacramento, Placer, Yolo, and El Dorado counties. And it's a tough market right now for buyers to get accepted. We've got banks in short sales that are taking a tremendous amount of time, ridiculously long, and not enough bank owns, which we call REOs. And so all I can do is say, just keep putting those offers out there, buyers. Hang on. I know it seems defeating. It's very difficult. It's a hard time to get accepted. Doesn't matter how great your offer is. These days, what they're looking at is not only your offer, but they're also looking at what type of loan you're getting and how much you're putting down. And so I know that some of you can't change that, but just keep trying, okay? And in the meantime, I hope you have a great weekend. Stay safe, enjoy. Don't forget to go get your pumpkins, and I'll see you back here on Sacramento Real Estate Voice. Bye-bye.